Hi everyone, this is Aparna, co-founder Shobhita, and we're doing the Mother's Day series this week. Every day leading up to Mother's Day. And I have Neha here with me. Neha is the founder of Isadora Life, a leading company that does 1 minute saris. And they are part of the Shobhita House of Brands. A very, very warm welcome to you, Neha.
Thank you so much, Aparna. Thank you.
And we're going to do a series on. So today's show is going to basically be about our moms. We are celebrating our moms
Yes,
with some fun stuff.
absolutely true.
Okay. So before that, I really like the sari that you're wearing. Do you want to talk about it?
For you, this is a very, very lightweight. I mean, it's summer, it's the month of May, and I'm in central India. And this is very, very cool. Pure Georgette with a hand block Sanganeri print done all over. And these are vegetable dyes used. So, very gentle, very soft, and very breathable fabric, which we've made into a ready to wear sari.
Okay. And tell us a little bit about the whole ready to wear concept.
Okay, so basically, ready to wear sari is meant to, a lot of us are unable to wear sari because of the draping hassles or a lot of, rigmarole that comes along with it. So, what happens is if we are able to simplify it, and make it almost as easy and as simple as wearing a kurta or a pantsuit, then we can wear this beautiful garment more often. That was the idea behind making and launching ready to wear saris, that we get to enjoy wear it as often as we like and not be limited.
Lovely. And our moms used to drape saris so fast. And I think you and I, because we wear saris a lot, we drape very easily, very comfortably, very quickly. But there are a lot of women out there, especially Gen Zs and beyond, where they love the concept of the sari, they love the aesthetics of the sari, but they just don't know how to, wear a sari. And we are
Absolutely.
enabling, wearing a sari for them as well. So we're making the sari future proof.
True. Yeah, exactly. You want to ensure that this tradition stays on and the longevity of this ensemble is sustained and not taken over by the other more convenient options, because we are now moving with times.
Right, right, right. चलो अब थोड़ा मम्मी के बारे में बात करते
Oh,
हैं.
absolutely. Absolutely. True.
So your
True.
mom is here with you, right?
Yes, she's here with me in
Yeah.
Raipur. Yes.
What's the most beautiful thing about your mom? Beauty. We're talking outer beauty here.
Yeah, yeah. Outer beauty. Okay, okay. You're not
Uh,
talking about the qualities and everything. I think she has a very sharp nose and very beautiful features. So I kind of, that is something which I really admire about her. Yeah. And okay. So you asked me how my mom, what I admire most. So what about you? What do you like most about your mom in terms of her outer beauty?
huh. So I think it was her mom's skin. She had the most beautiful skin, and everybody used to tell that she looks very very young. So that's something both Ambika and I really really admired about her.
Oh, that's great. That's great. It's tough to have good skin. I mean, that's a blessing.
True, very very true. अच्छा ये बताओ, what is the most favorite dish that your mom makes?
Mm, my mom is a good cook, and but the one dish that I always look forward to is aloo paratha.
Oh, lovely. Typical Punjabi dish.
Typical Punjabi to aloo paratha. I mean, they are heavenly. And what about you? What is it that you like best?
अच्छा पहले मैं ये बताती हूँ. The best thing my mom liked about me was I was a hassle-free eater, unlike my sister Ambika. So whatever mom would make, I would not complain. I would just eat. But my sister was very, very picky. So mom would always appreciate that. But in my case, I think what I loved the most in my mom's cooking is her sabudana upma. I absolutely, would love it. I've so many times requested mom to make it. So that's one dish that really stands out in my mom's case.
Wow. You
अच्छा
can
ये
and you can eat it even while fasting.
very true, very true. So I used to fast a lot,
Acha.
even before marriage, for Navratri and all. So that used to be a fasting staple.
Fasting feast.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Acha, ये बताओ, what's the proudest thing about you that you
Sorry.
feel proudest of? What is the thing that you feel proud, the most proud about your mom?
Uh, I think her openness to all kind of change
Okay.
and very open in terms of experimenting new things, uh, venturing out and ask, okay, you want to go here? Okay, let's try this. So that is something which I really admire about her.
Mm-hmm.
And what about you? I mean, how?
So, two things. I think one is her resilience. On the hardest, most challenging days, she'll, go through the day like nothing happened. She would have that very graceful demeanor. So that is something that I'm often inspired by. Even days where I feel challenged, I feel like I should be like my mom. That. And the other thing is, whenever, she would come to the US to visit us, she would make the most out of it. She would love to explore places, and that really, really made it fun. Not a lot of parents actually enjoy being in the US. They feel like, okay, it's very expensive if I do this and that. But, she was the person who really loved to live life. Yeah.
True. No, that is incredible that they're out there venturing out, enjoying the experiences, and not caught up. So beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. What's the funniest thing about your mom, Neha?
Funniest thing is, okay, I have not seen my mom being rude or impolite to anyone in all these years, but somehow she has this habit of, did this person feel bad about this I said? What if this person felt bad about this? And I'm like, mom, you don't do this. Why are you even overthinking? That person is not even thinking about it. So this is something which is perpetual with her.
Mm, mm. And I totally relate to, because my mom is an overthinker. She wants to keep everybody happy. So
Yeah.
if it feels like somebody is not showing that sense of happiness, she'll deliberate a lot about it. Should I have done this? Should I have done
Yeah,
that?
exactly.
But I'll tell you the funny thing. She can be a little possessive about her daughters. So, sometimes when we all would go out together, like a party or a gathering, she'd be like, oh, that guy is looking at you. This guy is looking at you. And I'm like, relax, mom. Nobody is. So, that I really find very cute and funny about her.
Oh, okay, got it, got it.
Yeah.
No, they will be possessive, very protective instinct comes out, I guess.
Yeah. What is that mom superpower that she has that you think is very unique about her?
Mm, she has, as you say, she is man. I mean, when we were small, and so for some time, my mom was a school teacher, and so from waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning and making sure that our lunch, our breakfast, everything is ready before she leaves for work, then she fulfills all her duties beautifully at work, and then comes back and ensures that everything at home is taken care of, and juggling so many things together, but with so much grace and being so happy about it, without even making us feel that it's a big deal.
Mm. Mm.
This is something which I did not realize it at that time, but today when I think about it, I feel that she made it all look so easy.
राइट राइट अच्छा मेरे केस में बताती हूँ
Yes, I know.
या सो moms always want their kids to be well fed. That's a very
Yes,
typical basic
true.
thing, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And sometimes you're not in that mood to eat, right? So she would feed us. And when we resist, she'd make up all kinds of things where, our attention is on what she's talking, and we forget that we're actually eating. And the
Yes.
funny thing is, even after getting married, until a few years ago when she passed away, even when we used to come every time to India, even in that age, mom would feed us.
Oh,
And she will do it in such a, she had a knack of doing it in a very nice way where we won't even realize that we're being fed. So I think that's one superpower that comes to my mind.
Totally. This is actually a superpower, making kids eat,
Hmm.
especially when you must have been young.
Hmm. 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 What's one thing that you hated or you found very irritating about your mom?
Same thing that I found cute, overthinking.
Hmm. Hmm.
Same thing. It's irritating and cute at the same time.
Hmm.
What about you?
The over importance given to in-laws. I know in-laws are important, but kai baar, oh, did you call? Did you call? Did you do this? Did you do that? Did you
Huh.
wish? So, if it came naturally, I would do it. But जब overdo हो जाता है, then I feel like, no, I'm not going to do it.
Then
So,
then it becomes it instead of joy, it becomes a duty.
हाँ,
And
हाँ.
then the joy goes away and becomes a duty and a chore. I know that I can totally understand. It's like a boxes to be ticked, which we don't like.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
So I see that both of us are wearing shades of green today.
Happy
Yeah,
green,
it's
yes.
summer and green is like a cool feeling. So what is it that you're wearing I mean, kind of, and the necklace with it. I think it looks very pretty.
Oh, thank you, Neha. So this, we are focusing a lot on sustainability, natural fabrics these days. So this is actually modal silk, which is basically a plant-based fiber, and it's got Vanaspati hand block print. So Vanaspati is plant. So everything on the sari, all the prints are completely plant-based dyes. And हमने कहा कि चलो इस साड़ी को थोड़ा जैज़ब करते हैं. And we added a kalamkari border to it. And that's not all. Kalamkari border is inside the sari, so it has a little peekaboo effect.
Hmm.
And look at these latkans.
Oh my goodness! Oh,
और ये
beautiful. They are
हमारे in-house tailors, little young girls have made this. So very pretty latkans that dangle. And I love latkans because latkans and tassels, क्योंकि जब चलते हैं, it has a very nice,
feel to
effect to
it.
it. हाँ, a nice sway to it.
Oh,
Yeah.
beautiful, beautiful. In fact, this green color complemented by the kalamkari border, that too inside out, it kind of peeps out when you're walking and that looks beautiful. It has that air of a little mystery, as one would put it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, Neha. Very sweet of you. And it's always great to hear compliments from you because you're very generous.
No, no, I'm not generous. I'm just stating what I see.
And the necklace you asked me, this is a 92.5 silver necklace.
Okay.
Or we're promoting a lot of silver because silver is very, very popular. And I think this is a good time to buy before the tariffs kick in.
Absolutely, yes, yes. This is the right time to buy and stock up on your trinkets, if you will, before the tariffs hit us. Can totally.
All right, Neha, I think it was a very, very fun conversation. A very, very happy Mom's Day to your mom and all the moms out there.
Absolutely.
Totally
Say
enjoyed
thank
this
you and same to
conversation.
you. Thank
And all
you
of us
so
did.
much.
Okay,
Thank you.
sure.
Oh,
Bye.
Joe. Bye.